Hello, I am Philip Velez, Chair of Research Day 2023. And on behalf of the 2023 Research Day Planning Committee, I want to welcome you as a presenter at this year's two-day event. We received your abstract and are excited to hear more about the important research and scholarship that you and your colleagues will be presenting. As a presenting author, here are a few important things to keep in mind. Your online Blitz presentation will be assigned a time and slot on either April 3rd or 4th. The exact day and time of your presentation will be shared with you closer to the event. Please be prepared to present on either day. All Blitz presentations will be presented live, unless you are an undergraduate student, in which case you have the option of presenting a pre-recorded version. All Blitz presenters are required to upload a video recording of their Blitz presentation by March 3rd. The videos will be used for determining awards. In brief, it must be a maximum of 5 minutes and no larger than 100 megabytes in file size. The link for uploading your video recording will be made available soon. All presenters are required to attend their Blitz presentations because there will be a live question and answer session after the presentation is finished. With respect to setting up a recording with Zoom, all that needs to be done is the following. Open your slide presentation file and have it open on your desktop. Open Zoom and enter the meeting with yourself. Click on Share Screen. You should see your desktop, and you should see your slide file open on your desktop. Click on the slide file, and you should see it enlarged within your Zoom meeting. Put the slides in presentation mode by clicking on the presentation icon. Have everything organized so you are ready to start your presentation, since you will need to start right after the next step. Next, locate the icon bar and click More. Click Record on this computer. When you hear the automated voice say, "Recording started," start your presentation. When finished, click More again and select Stop Recording. You will see a pop-up that says Converting. Once it is done converting, you will be able to find and open and check your presentation. The presentation will be located under See Documents Zoom. Open the video and watch it to ensure you are happy with it before you upload it to the Qualtrics survey for submission. Please note that the recording file should be in an MP4 format for uploading into the submission site. The Qualtrics survey for submissions will be opening soon. A link will be provided to all participants. One last comment. We often hear from our colleagues that the scholarship that they are presenting may not be completed in time for the event. This is completely acceptable and in fact quite common. It is perfectly all right to describe the theory guiding your inquiry, share the methods of study, and any data or updates that are available at the time of the event. Likewise, since the deadline for submitting the pre-recording comes a month ahead of the actual event, it is quite possible that you will never have newer information to share from when you upload your video. We encourage you to use this conference to share your ideas and enthusiasm around your research with colleagues, gain experience presenting scholarly work, and utilize feedback from our community to propel your work even further. We look forward to seeing you at Research Day this year. Please reach out to me, Dr. Velez, with any questions that you may have using the contact link on our webpage. Thank you again, and I hope to see you at Research Day.